Hello, and welcome back to section 3 of this course on Ethereum development. In this section, we are going to have a look at how we can create our own ERC20 token project. An ERC20 token is in effect a cryptocurrency built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. We will have a look at the specification, we will have a look at how you can do an initial coin offering and how we can handle token transactions and transfer of value. So in this video, we are going to start by creating our ERC20 token project. We are going to set up a new project. We are going to use Open Zeppelin, the Solidity framework. And then we are going to use this framework to create our project. Here you can see the GitHub page for the Open Zeppelin framework. Open Zeppelin is basically just a collection of smart contracts that you can import into your own smart contracts in order to speed up your development and also make your smart contracts much more secure from the get-go. Okay, so if you have been browsing through the Truffle website, you have probably come across Ganache. We will be using Ganache in this entire section actually. Ganache is a GUI that is basically easier to navigate than TestRPC, but it does all the same things as TestRPC. You can download it for Windows or any other OS if you go to their GitHub, which you can see here. It's available for Windows, it's available for OS X, it's available for Linux, so go ahead and download it. Once that's done, you can run it. And when it's running, it should look something like this. So this should be familiar. These are your 10 accounts that are generated by TestRPC. You can see your blocks, you can see your transactions, your logs, everything is still empty here. Right? So let's set up a new project. As you can see here, I have created a new folder for our project. It is still empty. So let's go ahead and run Truffle or Truffle CLI if you're in Windows, unbox Webpack, just like last time. And now we'll have to wait for this to download and set up. Once that's done, let's go ahead and run npm install -e because Open Zeppelin, they do recommend specifying -e because it will pull a specific version of Open Zeppelin. It will never update it, will keep the same version. This is because it doesn't have semantic versioning yet. But okay, let's go ahead and do npm install -e zeppelin -solidity, and then it should install the Zeppelin Solidity npm package. And Open Zeppelin is a framework we can use to make development of smart contracts easier and also a lot more secure, because Open Zeppelin has been built with security in mind from the very start. Once that's done, let's switch over to our favorite editor. And in here, we have our starter project again. Let's go ahead and remove some stuff that we won't need. So let's remove the deployment of the convert lib. We'll keep the metacoin. We'll go into our contracts folder. We will delete convert lib. And in the metacoin solidity file, let's go ahead and remove the import of convert lib. Let's remove all of the functional code for now. And let's go ahead and import standard token from Open Zeppelin is a basic ERC20 interface that we can use. So we can do import Zeppelin Solidity /contracts /token /ERC20 standard token.sol. There we go. This imports the standard token Solidity file from the Zeppelin framework, from the Open Zeppelin framework. And it knows to look inside of your node modules folder. So that's not a problem. There's no manual setup there. Very easy. we can go ahead and define our MetaCoin as being a standard token. Once that's done, let's go ahead and migrate it. You should make sure that Ganesh is running, and you will see that Ganesh runs on localhost port 7545. By default, Truffle will listen to this port, so this should all be good. Just make sure that Ganesh is running, and we can do Truffle CLI migrate. And of course, we have an error, and this is because I have made a little typo. This should be contract MetaCoin is standard token. So we say that our MetaCoin is an extension of the standard token. Let's go ahead and migrate again. And you should now see that it's compiling your MetaCoin, your migrations, but also a lot of files from the Open Zeppelin framework. So this is good. And in Ganesh, you should see that your transactions have gone through. It has made a contract call, contract creation, or contract call, creation, and everything is good. And we are all set up now.